Hi, I am Hypersulf. My common name is sulfate of lime. I proved by Dr. Honeyman. I am prepared by mixing calcarea carb and sulfur.
My name's first letter H described itself me, like H stand for hypersensitiveness, hyperimpulsive, heavily sweating, hasty, and hoarseness.
Excuse me, could you move aside please? No, I am very oversensitive and irritable. The slightest thing irritates me. I am very much impulsive. Everybody disturb me, peevish and easily angry me, at least terrible.
She is quarrelsome. Nobody want to get along with her. Nothing pleases her and no one can make her happy.
I am very anguished in the evening and night with thoughts of suicide, very much anxious without any reason. I am very quick in action, hypochondriacal, sad and depressed.
I have offensive odor from mouth. Gums and mouth are painful to touch. Gums bleed easily. Ulcers in gums and mouth.
I have sensation as if fishbone or splinter were sticking in my throat. I also have sensation of plug or internal swelling in throat when swelling. My stool contain undigested food particles. Stool is clay colored and soft, sour smelling and white. Urine is voided slowly without force, drops vertically, flow intermediate, cannot empty the bladder thoroughly. I have to wait for a long time before I can pass urine. It same happen in natrum mure, staph and muric acid. I have toothache after drinking cold things or opening the mouth. Toothache better by warm room or biting the teeth together. I have frequent but momentary attack of nausea followed by vomiting of bile every morning. My stomach is painful on walking as if it were hanging loose.
Oh no, I have headache from exposure to cold and suppressed eruption. My headache is one side of head and right temple. Headache is when shaking the head or riding. Constant pressing pain on one side as from a plug or nails. Scalp is very sore and sensitive to touch. I am very chilly patient, highly sensitive to cold air. I must be wrapped up to the face even in hot weather, cannot bear to be uncovered. I have cough from cold air and when any part of the body is uncovered. With cough, there is splinter-like sensation in throat as if a fishbone or plug is sticking in the throat. I have dry cough, deep, rough, barking, dry, croupy cough with choking, gagging and with great soreness of chest. During the cough, I sweat very much. I cough and sweat, cough and sweat, cough and sweat. There is much sweating without any relief. I also have asthma. My breathing is difficult with rattling and whizzing sound in the chest. I have to take deep breath with threatened suffocation. I have to bend head backward and sit up, which give me temporary relief in asthma. I have unhealthy suppurating skin. Every little injury suppurate like in sulfur, graphitis and silicea. My skin is very sensitive and sore to touch. My skin eruptions are so sensitive that I cannot bear anyone touch me, even my clothes. Eczema is spread by means of new pimples appearing just above the old ones. My ulcers are very sensitive to contact, easily bleeding, burning and stinging, cannot bear to be uncovered, wants to be wrapped up warmly. I am very much oversensitive, both physically and mentally, very sensitive to touch, pain and cold air. I sweat profusely day and night without any relief, which is sour and offensive, easily sweat on every mental and physical exertion. I am hasty in speech and drinking. I am hasten the suppression and cure and is ameliorated by heat, hot fermentation and covering.
I am torpid lymphatic constitution, person with light hair and complexion, my muscles are soft and flabby. I get easily excited by slightest cause, and slightest cause irritate me. That's why I have irritable temperament. I am highly chilly patient and my miasm mainly is antisoric. I have lymphatic and scrofulous diastasis.
I have aggravation from cold air, uncovering, eating and drinking cold things, slightest rot of hair, touching affective part, abuse of mercury, lying on painful side, and clear fine weather. I get relief from warmth in journal from wrapping up and in damp, wet weather, same in Medorinum and Nux vomica and Causticum. I am complementary to Calendula. In injury of soft part, I antidoted by Belladonna chamomilla.
Disease where suppression seems inevitable. Hepar may open the abscess and hasten the cure if applied in low potency.